using the Nomadic app with Helix Pulse. This video explains how the Nomadic app works with Helix Pulse. Once connected, the app allows you to view and manage your Pulse device from your phone. Open the Nomadic app and select your Pulse device from the home screen. This brings you to the Device Overview page. The Overview screen displays connection status and available controls. This confirms that your Pulse is communicating properly with the app. Depending on your configuration, additional features may be available within the app. These controls allow you to manage settings remotely when needed. Pulse is designed for day-to-day control directly at the panel. The Nomadic app is typically used for setup and remote access. Using both together provides flexible access to your system, whether you are inside the vehicle or away. In the next video, we'll continue exploring additional features.